Yes, students, see, this is the video solutions for the test conducted on 28th of December 2020. See, the first question is, which among the following have the correct numbering of the for the substituents? See, in all the molecules, that is IUPAC numbering is given according to the IUPAC rules. Here, this is the substituent, this is the side chain, is the parent, this is the substituent, one is given. And in every case, that's the correct numbering is given. Here, see, fruity smell, it is the property of the esters, right? It is the property of the esters. The first one is ester. See, this is ester part. This is ester. This is amide. This is ester. So this is amide. So 1, 2, 4 are esters. They show the fruity smell, and whereas amide has no fruity smell. See, that is and the compound which have fruity smell is R. That is 1, 2, 3. That is C is the correct option. C is the correct option for this. This is. And here it is a free radical substitution reaction which takes place through the free radical intermediate. This is the primary carbon, this is the tertiary carbon, this is the secondary carbon, this is the primary carbon, this is the primary carbon. See, always there is a higher degree of radical is more readily formed. As the degree increases, radical stability increases. Therefore, this is the 3 degree. Here that it takes place. The radical formed here is this. This is the correct option for this given question. Radical substitution. This is next one is the again chlorination, free radical substitution. The side chain, the halogenation, chlorination has to take place. This is the 3 degree benzylic carbon, this is the 2 degree benzylic carbon. As the degree increases, that is the stability increases, therefore the chance of form attacking here is more. That is the substitution takes place at 3 degree benzylic carbon. This is the product of the reaction. B is the correct option. The next one is and that is azulene is given, that is a 10 pi electron system, aromatic system. So there is no need complete conjugation, planar complete conjugation. That is the number of electrons are 10. So 10 is an Huckel number. It is an aromatic system, correct? 5-member ring and 7-member ring. There are 2 rings. See, actually this is the dipolar structure of the azulene. It has a dipole moment. I told in the class. That is, this is a cyclopentadienyl part. This is the tropylium cation, cycloheptatrinyl cation, 6 pi electrons in the 7-member ring and 6 pi electrons in the 5-member ring. Here electron density is more, electron density is less. 6 electrons in the 5-member ring, 6 electrons in the 7-member ring. Here electron density is more. The electrophilic substitution is directly proportional to the rate is directly proportional to the number of electrons in the electron density. Therefore, second one also correct. Ring electron deficient. 7-member ring is electron deficient and this is electron rich. So, electrophilic substitution occurs at the 5-member ring. Yes, here the electron density is more. The substitution occurs there. Both the rings are equally electron rich. No, it is not correct. That is, D is wrong. Incorrect statement is D. That is, D is the right answer for the given question. The next one is here a compound is given. If you take this as the ring 1 and this is the ring 2, 2 rings, that is on this methyl group, hyperconjugation, ring activators, hyperconjugation. But this is the ring deactivator, C double bond O NH. In terms of this is ring deactivator. In terms of the second ring, it is a ring activator, CH2. Alkyl group is a ring activator, whereas this is the nitrogen, amide nitrogen. this lone pair is present. This is the ring activator. Here this is strong ring activator than methyl. Methyl shows the ring activating tendency due to the hyperconjugation, whereas this shows due to the resonance Plasm effect. It shows the Plasm effect. Therefore, this ring is more prone for the reaction. So this is ortho. Because of ortho effects not possible. This is the meta with respect to the this group ring activator. This is the para. Here substitution readily takes place. On this ring, here it takes place. Next one is here the reaction is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Here Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is carbocation. Look, this is first product is this. Further it reacts with the AlCl3 and convert into 6-member ring ortho. This is the OP directing group. Next the substitution takes place here. This is formed. Here the palladium carbon is given. The speciality of the palladium coke heating is the converting the non-aromatic ring into aromatic ring. Dehydrogenation takes place. This is the dehydrogenation reaction. Therefore, naphthalene is formed. This is and product. Your product is naphthalene formation is your product. A is the correct option for this. The next one is the the sequence of reactions are given. I have drawn here. It is a nitration. Nitrobenzene is formed. Sn plus HCl reduction takes place. Sn plus HCl reduction takes place. Nitro group is converted into primary amine, aromatic primary amine. This is diazotization reaction. Y2Z is the diazotization. Benzene diazonium salt is formed. Sodium fluoroborate is added. That is salt is sodium. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate is added and heating fluorobenzene is formed. This is nothing but the Siemens reaction. Siemens reaction, some fluorobenzene preparation. So recently also we discussed in the classroom. This is and the molecules which produce the aromatic compound after the tautomerization. In all the cases tautomerization is given. So here tautomerization is this is the alpha hydrogen. After tautomerization, this is converted into the cyclopropanyl cation, aromatic. This is after tautomerization. Cyclopentadienyl anion is formed, aromatic. After aromatization, extended tautomerism. Extended tautomerism, that is the phenol is formed. Here, after the tautomerization, it is converted into the pyridine. That is, it is aromatic. All are aromatic. Therefore, A is the correct option for you. Then the next one is this is given regarding the organic reactions. So, during any reaction, if 2 or more products are formed, out of which one is major and all other are structural isomers, then such reactions are called as the regioselective reactions. Reaction that takes place according to the Markovnikov rule, elimination that takes place according to the Sedgwick's rule or Hoffman's rule, they are all regioselective reactions. So here the regioselective reaction is taking place and 2-chloro, this thing is alcoholic OH. This is 2-butene is formed as a major product, as a Sedgwick product, the other one is the Hoffman product, they are structural isomers, that is a regioselectivity. We say that is the Markovnikov rule, Karash rule, Sedgwick's rule and Hoffman's rule are the regioselective rules. ikkadi nunche povalani cheptundaru. Therefore, it is correct. All are correct. So that is the stereoselective. See, when the non-terminal alkyne is treated with the hydrogen in the presence of Lindlar, cis-alkene is formed, small amount of trans-alkene is formed. These two, this is the major, this is the minor. Stereoselectives. Cis is preferred over the trans. Stereoselectivity. Regioselectivity, stereoselectivity. One stereoisomer is formed as the major product, other is formed as the minor product. Such reactions are called as stereoselective reactions. And third and fourth also same. I will tell you what if the two functional groups are present and only one is reduced, other is not reduced, that is called as the chemoselectivity. They all 4 are correct here. That is your A is the correct option for this. Here and substitution reaction, free radical substitution reaction. Correct statement. All are correct statements. Simple. All are correct statement. This one. Reactivity of the free radical substitution reaction depends on C is correct, not A. This is C is correct. I have done the wrong this thing. C is correct. All are correct. See, everything is given in the notes. So that's except that NBS. This is another statement. Which statement is true for the photochemical halogenation reaction of the alkane? It is not the alkane. Alkene. It is alkane. Wrongly printed. Alkane dintlo. See, during the reaction, if the chiral center is created, exclusively R and exclusively S is not possible. Always, that is the resin mixture is formed. R plus S are produced in the equal quantities. Therefore, this is the correct statement. During the photochemical reaction, if parent compound already contains a chiral center, you see this is the chiral center, new chiral center is created. So R, this is R, I have taken the specific isomer R, and again new chiral center is created here. R is possible, S is possible. Therefore, what happens? This is RR, one isomer, RS, one isomer, partly same, partly different, therefore it is considered as that is diastereomers. They are not enantiomers, they are diastereomers. So the next one is the electrophilic addition reaction. See what the answer given in that is after the test, that is wrong. Only out of the 4, only 1 and 2 are correct. So propene, that is a general reaction. Alkenes and alkynes take part in the electrophilic addition reactions, correct? Chemical reaction, non-polar pi bonds anni electrophilic addition reaction. Chemical reaction of HCl with the propene, that is regioselective reaction. I told you, one is the position isomer is formed as the major, other is formed as the minor, that is Sedgwick's product. That rule is called as that is regioselective, this one. And when unsymmetrical reagent HX adds to the unsymmetrical alkene, then the negative part of the reagent adds to that carbon which has the maximum number of hydrogen atoms. This is called as Markovnikov's rule. It is not correct. It is the negative part of the reagent should add to the double bond carbon containing the less number of hydrogen atoms. More number of hydrogen atoms is Karash rule. It is not Markovnikov rule. See, here major product of the electrophilic addition reaction that which have more stable carbocation, and rule is called as the Karash rule. This is a major product of the electrophilic addition reaction is that one which have more stable carbocation, and rule is called, this is Markovnikov's rule actually. That is Markovnikov's rule, not Ajie's rule. See, actually here, this is correct. See, here, this is a print mistake. Here, it should be Karash rule. Then this statement is wrong. Right? Only 1 and 2 are correct options. The given key is wrong. This is again a photochemical reaction is taken. This reaction has to take place here. Benzylic carbon, 3-degree benzylic carbon, correct? This is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Chlorine Al3, nuclear substitution should take place. Substitution is taking place in the side chain. It is possible in the side chain only in the photochemical conditions. This is wrong. Phenol, that is participating in the electrophilic addition, diazocoupling reaction, diazonium, benzene, diazonium ion is a substitution should take place here. Yes, it is a product. That is in the H plus IR, HBr, this bromine should. Here, if the H is attached here, H is attached, then H plus is added to here, the carbocation is formed. Then bromine comes and reacts with this. A is the correct option. That is 1, 3, 4 are correct and 2 is wrong. Next one is the, here 2 is the, that's the relatively least stable, because this is, see in this case the lone pair present on the chlorine, ring delocalization, anyhow there the ring delocalization is present. This is involved back bonding with the chlorine. Lone pair is present on the chlorine, back bonding is possible, that is stabilized. Then this can shift and this can shift, so that is possible. Here, that is, here this can shift like this. Here again positive charge is formed. Lone pair of the chlorine can stabilize the carbocation. Whereas in this case, I have taken the resonance structures. So if the take part in the resonance, then what happens? Carbocation is not forming on the chlorine to which the chlorine, carbocation is not forming on the carbon to which the chlorine is attached. Chlorine assistance is not possible on this, because due to this chlorine is not stabilizing the carbocation, this is least stable. And the other two cases, 1 and 3, chlorine is stabilizing the carbocation through by giving through the back bonding phenomena. Positive ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్ వస్తుంది. లోన్ పేర్ బ్యాక్ బాండింగ్ ఫినామినా, దట్ ఈస్ least stable is only 2 is the least stable among the 3. The next one is the, this is the, and when nitro substituted nitrobenzene reacts with the nitro substituted chlorobenzene reacts with the sodium hydroxide, 3 carbanions are formed, which is least stable. So carbanion is stabilized by the nitro group. So if the carbanion is formed on the, during the resonance, the carbanion is generated or created on the carbon to which nitro group is attached, then that is here the nitro group. This further this moves into the this one, like that. That gets the support of the nitro group. So delocalized, negative charge is going. This is stable, and here, and it is not stable in case of the meta position. See, I have given the resonance structures here. According to the resonance structures, negative charge is not forming on the carbon to which the nitro group is attached. Therefore, this is less stable. Here again, this goes here like this, flowing into the nitro this thing. Here that is not, that facility is not there. Therefore, 2 is, that is the B is the correct option for it. Among them, B is less stable. And how many of the following given reactions are aromatic? Friedel-Crafts alkylation is aromatic. Friedel-Crafts acylation is aromatic. Sulfonation is aromatic. That is Riemann-Triman reaction is aromatic. Compound shows the this is Riemann-Triman reaction is aromatic. Coal-based reaction is carbon dioxide. Benzoic acid preparation, carbon dioxide electrophile is electrophilic. Then diazo coupling reaction also. That is the azodi formation, diazo coupling reaction also this thing. See, desulfonation also, sulfonation, desulfonation is the reversible reaction. And when the benzene sulfonic acid is treated with the superheated steam, superheated steam, then what happens? That is the desulfonation takes place, benzene is formed. That also electrophilic. That is a substitution reaction. Sulfonic acid group is replaced with the H. Therefore, this also desulfonation. Total 7 are that is the electrophilic substitution reactions. B is correct. Addition of bromine on the propene. Yes, it is a C. cyclic bromonium ion is formed. This is correct. In addition of reactions, some molecules are attached to unsaturated compounds without removing any atom of this. Addition reaction definition is given. What way this is concerned? Formation of the cyclic intermediate and addition. This is true, but the formation of the cyclic bromonium ion intermediate is no way related to this generalization or statement. They both are correct, but it's not the correct explanation. Therefore, B is the correct option for this statement. The next one is the phenylethylamine, styrene, and is more reactive than the S. That depends on the electrophilic addition reaction. That depends on the stability of the carbocation. Stability of the carbocation మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఇది బెంజైల్ కార్బోకేటయాన్ చూడండి, more stable. This is more stable. Relatively, this is less stable. More stable, less stable. The intermediate formed in styrene is more stable. Yes, correct. Both are correct. This is correct. This is correct. That is why it is more reactive. That is because of the more stability. This is A is the correct option. The next one is C. Plus M effect. Plus M effect, ring activator, but through hyperconjugation less than this. Benzene minus I decrease the electron density. Halogens are that is OP directors, but ring deactivators. They are less reactive than benzene. That is next nitro is minus M effect is major effect than minus I effect. This is less reactive, less electron density. The correct order. Reactivity of the aromatic compound towards the electrophile depends on the amount of available electron density present in aromatic ring. Yes, greater will be the electron density, higher is the reactivity. Correct. A is the correct. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct, and it is the correct explanation for the first generalization. Statement 1. Therefore, A is correct option. And next one is the, see, many times we have seen in the classroom, the amount of the electron density in the alkyl substituted benzene follows. This is toluene. There are 3 alpha hydrogens, 2 alpha hydrogens, 1 alpha hydrogen for hyperconjugation. No hyperconjugation at all, only plus I effect here. If hyperconjugation plus I effects anni unnai. So as the number of alpha hydrogens increases, hyperconjugated structures increases, the sacrificial hydrogens increases, the reactivity increases. This is true. The amount of the electron density on alkyl substituted benzene depends on the number of hyperconjugation structures. Yes, greater the number of hyperconjugation, greater is the availability of the electron density. This is correct. This is true. Correct explanation. Therefore, A is correct option. This is, and propene, that is a carbon-carbon single bond length of, that is CC bond length of the single bond length of the propene is smaller than the S hyperconjugation. This is acquiring the double bond nature due to hyperconjugation. Therefore, this is correct. And sigma orbitals. This is the statement given for the that's the explanation of hyperconjugation. So that is due to the partial double bond character is developed, so bond length decreases. Correct explanation. A is correct. A is correct. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct. This is the correct explanation for the first one. The next one is the, see here, and when treated with the silver nitrate, the all will give the what precipitate with the more readily, more reactive. So that you have to explain in terms of this one. See here, after losing the bromide ion, this is carbocation is formed. This carbocation is stabilized by that is a lone pair positive conjugation resonance. Back bonding donation by the oxygen atom. Here also, this is the carbocation formed. That is back bonding donation. Donor atom is nitrogen here. Ikkada nitrogen atom donor ikkada. Nitrogen is better donor than oxygen. This is more stable than this one. And here again back bonding positive lone pair and positive charge. But this lone pair is not readily available. On nitrogen, it is involved in the ring resonance. It has to engage the ring also. So availability of the lone pair here less. Therefore, the involvement of the lone pair in the back bonding decreases. కాబట్టి ఇది ఇంకా తక్కువ. ఇక్కడ no back bonding phenomena here. బ్యాక్ బాండింగ్ ఫినామినా లేదు. కాబట్టి అన్నిటికంటే ఏమైతుంది, ఇది దిస్ కార్బోకేటయాన్ దట్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఈస్ మోర్ స్టేబుల్ because of the nitrogen donor here oxygen. Nitrogen is the better lone pair donor because after donating it gets the positive charge. Oxygen cannot tolerate. Therefore, B is the correct option for this. Next one is the C. Recently I have shown in the class also with methyl group. The OH. When the constant H2SO4 heating elimination takes place, if the double bond is formed during the elimination, that is, if the already a double bond is present, new double bond is formed in the conjugation because of resonance stabilization. So this is the product formed here. This is the B is the correct option for it. The next one is that is several these things are given. Decarboxylation. I have shown the soda lime method. Decarboxylation. Carbanion is formed as intermediate. Carbanion and this halogenation of alkanes, not alkenes. Halogenation of the alkanes, the free radical intermediate is formed. See, free radical intermediate. Reaction of the alkyl halides. అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చూస్తే నాకు కనిపించేది కార్బోకేటయాన్ is formed where SN1 reaction, E1 reactions. రెండిట్లో that is the carbocation is the intermediate. That is a reaction of the chloroform base. That is always dichlorocarbene is formed which is known as the carbene. సో CCl2 ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఇగో మీకున్న దాంట్లో ఈ కాంబినేషన్లో మీకున్న దాంట్లో ఏ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్. దట్ ఈస్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఫర్ దిస్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద ఎనీ clarification proper, if you are not getting the proper clarification about the test, you can ask in the classroom.